so what I got here is Dwight Curley a while ago printed me a bunch of stuff for my scrapyard, and that's what we have here. These are loads that he printed in this size and primed them gray, and they're they're too wide and a little too short. So I've been cutting them apart into these smaller little loads, and I'll be mounting them on this foam board that I can take in and out when I don't want to keep loads in the gondolas. Uh, so what I did was first I um, brushed on, and I thinned it out a little bit sometimes. That's why it looks really wet. Some burnt umber, and then these highlights that you see here are burnt sienna that I dry brushed on. And then I used some uh, black glaze. Like this is all black glaze. I used black glaze on the tires, and I also used my AK pen. This works great because you can really do good detail with the tip of this pen because it's so fine, right? You can really get it to work good. But I kind of like the black glaze more. This is black glaze. This is tire rubber or black rubber. Kind of like the black glaze. This kind of like little grayish black, and this is like a flat black glaze. So that's what I did. I just dry brushed on some burnt sienna layers. Got some. Also, I used some uh, black brown. It's German black brown. It's kind of like blackish brown, and I did that into the crevices, and you could just use flat black into the hollows just to make shadows. And I still want to do some more stuff. I think I'm gonna try some of this in there, and then maybe some. I don't know if I'm going to try this wash and put a little bit of that on there, but I'll get some other rust colors that I have. Like I have this AK light rust, crusted rust deposits. I might throw some of that in there. You see it's all settled down at the bottom. But yeah, it's just layers, doing layers. You start here, and then you do some highlighting and detailing, and just keep adding and adding and adding. And yeah, there's no right, there's no wrong. Maybe I'll paint some of these barrels of color or something just to break them up. Sometimes barrels are green and blue and red, and so maybe I'll do that just to add some color. So that's what I did for scrap loads for my gondolas. It's easy. Anybody can do it. You can do it. Be well, be blessed. I'll see you on the next one.